In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We'll walk through how to confirm that others are actively working in a shared document and how to review the complete version history so you can see what changed, when it changed, and who made those edits. This is especially helpful for group projects, team reports, or any document where multiple people contribute. Start by opening your shared Google Doc. When someone else is in the file and currently editing, you'll notice their presence right away. Look toward the top right area of the document for small profile indicators. As collaborators type, you may also see color-coded cursors or highlights showing where they're working. These live signals confirm that you're both in the same file at the same time, so hold off on conflicting edits and let changes sync. Next, head to the File menu at the top left of your screen. This is your main command center for document controls. Click File to open the dropdown. From there, move to Version History. This section is dedicated to tracking the evolution of your document over time. Within Version History, choose See Version History. A panel will open on the right side of your screen, revealing a timeline of saved versions, each with timestamps and collaborator names. Google Docs groups changes into versions automatically, so even if your team edits frequently, you'll have a clean sequence to browse. Click on any version in that panel to preview what the document looked like at that moment. In the main document area, edits are typically color-coded, making it easy to spot who added, removed, or modified text. If you're comparing multiple moments in time, you can move up and down that list of versions to understand how the document evolved. This is especially useful for catching mistakes, recovering content that got deleted, or simply learning from the progression of your team's work. A quick note on access. You'll need permission to view version history, so if you don't see the option, check your share settings with the document owner. Also, the version history panel stays non-destructive. You're reviewing changes without altering the current document, so it's safe to explore. Once you've reviewed the edits and you're satisfied with what you've seen, you're done. You've confirmed active collaborators, opened the File menu, navigated to version history, selected See version history, and reviewed all the edits made by other editors. That's all there is to it.